Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So currently it's around 5:30 and now today we are heading towards the Kaas Pathar to see the Valley of Flowers, the Maharashtra's very own Valley of Flowers. So let's go. I will be going with my cousins. They are on the way. I'm just going to near my main road. They will be picking me up from there.
Can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time?
So we have taken our first stop near the Khopoli exit. Now waiting at the food court, have something to eat and then again head on towards Pune.
Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long.
Finally taken a lunch break on the Pune-Satara highway. Satara is still here around somewhat 35 kilometers away. We have taken we have stopped here for lunch at the hotel Sai Seva. Let's check out how the food is. So finally we have arrived at the famous Kaas Pathar, and just one word, I can't describe the beauty here. Have a look. So as of now I can see some four colors of flower: the pink, yellow, white and the little bit of blue ones. Look at this scenery here. It's all like a blanket of flowers. Mind blowing. So at this Kaas Pathar, all the people are allowed only in this area, and see there's hardly the number of flowers is very less, while no people are allowed to venture there. And just have a look there. It's amazing. Hardly any disruptions in the flower. It's completely. So earlier we had went that side. Now we are going on this path here. Let's see if we can see some other flowers here. Have a look at the view of the valley from here. You can see there it's a lake or dam something. So now we have exited from the flowering area which was allowed for the visitors, and there's a lot of area which is in where the flowers are growing, but you can hardly see it as it's all foggy here. So now it's all covered in fog. We might even drop a plan to visit the lake. Not sure if we can see down anything. So on the way back from the Kaas Pathar, we will stop here for the tea and the Makkah break, and just have a look at the view from here. So finally we have reached Pune at my cousin's place. It's now around 8:40. Just now we'll freshen up, have some food, and then go to sleep tomorrow. I'll probably continue this vlog directly on tomorrow morning. So finally we are leaving from Pune. Now we will be heading towards Mumbai. It's around 3.
But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find.
On the way from Pune to Mumbai, we have taken a stop here at the Chitale Bandhu. So done with the food shopping from Chitale Bandhu. Now heading directly towards Mumbai. Might just take 1 or 2 breaks on the way.
But here I am, laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
Taken a first break. We have crossed the Khopoli. We have crossed the Lonavala Ghat. Just take a pee break, have some tea, coffee, and then again get on our way back to Mumbai. So finally we have reached Vasai, dropped all my cousins, and now I'm the last person. Now just head on. And so far, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.